Hey everyone, let's talk about Replit AI and why it's become such a popular tool, especially for developers, students, and anyone learning to code. Replit AI is built directly into the Replit coding platform, which already makes it convenient because you don't have to jump between tools. Everything happens in one place, from writing code to testing and debugging it. One of the biggest strengths of Replit AI is how helpful it is when you're actually stuck. You can ask it to explain a piece of code in simple terms, help you fix errors, or even generate starter code for a project. For beginners, this is huge because it reduces that overwhelming feeling of not knowing where to start. Instead of staring at a blank file, you get guidance right away. For more experienced developers, Replit AI works well as a productivity booster. It can autocomplete functions, suggest improvements, and help refactor messy code. It's not perfect, and you shouldn't blindly trust everything it generates. But as a second brain while coding, it saves a lot of time. It's especially useful for quick prototypes, scripts, or learning a new language. Another thing worth mentioning is how beginner-friendly the whole Replit ecosystem feels. You can run code instantly in the browser without setting up environments, and the AI fits naturally into that flow. This makes it great for students, coding practice, and even small team projects where speed matters more than deep customization. On the downside, Replit AI can struggle with very large or complex code bases, and sometimes its suggestions are a bit generic. You still need to understand what you're building and double-check the output. Also, some of the more advanced AI features are locked behind paid plans, which might be a downside for casual users. Overall, Replit AI is best seen as a smart coding assistant rather than a replacement for real knowledge. It helps you learn faster, build quicker, and stay focused, especially if you code in the browser a lot. If you're learning to code or want a smoother, faster workflow, Replit AI is definitely worth trying. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tool you want reviewed next.